So I just received the package. This should be Busy Bones Carbon Monoxide, the special edition, the gold edition. Um, Let me start opening it. So this is it. This is the gold edition. This is what you'll be receiving if you place an order, or if you are thinking about placing an order. As you can see, it's Busy Bone Carbon Monoxide. This should be signed by Busy Bone. So here it is. This is the signature. Let me see what's in the booklet. So it's just a skull with Busy Bones images around it. Bone Thugs and Harmony. The track listing. So it's 15 songs. As you can see, they were produced by Blaze. I think the whole CD was produced by him. And on the back is these days and times. And the thank yous from Busy Bone. And his signature, I think, is BTNH. Busy Bone, BTNH. And a happy face. So if you place the order, this is what you'll be getting. It looks nice. The CD is good. I heard it on YouTube already. And I'll be listening to this one next. Thanks for watching. I'll be doing more reviews, more openings, more unboxings. I got more Bone Thugs and Harmony coming, and different type of artists.